5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, counting clouds up in the sky, oh my. One saw a butterfly, flapped its arms and waved goodbye. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, playing drums with sticks they found, tap tap. One frog hit a beat so strong, danced away and sang along. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, blowing bubbles in the air, pop pop. One frog blew a bubble high, floated up and waved goodbye. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, jumping high and spinning round. One did flips and felt so free, hopped away into a tree. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, singing loud and feeling proud, la la. It took a bow, then hopped away. No more frogs are here today. Now there are 0 speckled frogs.